Hi guys, meron tayo isang 2021 Nissan Navara 4 Pro X 4x4 and automatic transmission ito. Yan guys, limited edition na kulay yan, Nardo Gray. Makakapalang tires yan, bago, projector headlight. Again guys, ito yung kulay na pinilahan noon sa Nissan. Kaya ito guys, meron tayo ngayon. And of course, ask na lang natin to ng 1.1 million and 50,000. So 1.150 M, negotiable sa cash. We process financing and we accept trade-in. So guys, para sa naghahanap ng napaka-poging pick-up at fresh, ito 45,000 lang ang tinakbo. So naka-dual aircon, again headliner, leather seats. And dito naman sa harapan, of course, magandang steering wheel, naka-digital gauge yan. Ayan, ang 4x4, automatic shift knob. At ang pinakamaganda niya, stock radio na Bluetooth ready. Ayan guys, oh, napaka-fresh. So para sa may gusto guys, PM lang kayo. Again, napakadali natin kausap, basta sure buyer. Yun lang naman guys. See ya!